Alright, we're back with another opening with 4-pack TCG Lightning blister. In this one, you can see my favorite pack and another favorite, Fusion Strike. I don't know why I really like Fusion Strike. And then also 2 other really good Body and Fates with the shiny cards. Oh, and actually, this is a pretty good card to get, or like I like it anyways. Kind of off centered though. Yep. Okay, we are gonna start with Body and Fates. Body and Whooper, Execute, Mankey, Flittle, Electric Generator, Swoobat, Gengar, Charcadet, Woobat, and Amarogue. That's alright. Not the greatest. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm gonna open up both Body and Fates first. Code. Flittle. Body and Whooper again. Graveyard. Charcadet. Electric Generator. Charmeleon. Technical Machine, Crisis Punch. Oh, Paldean Clodsire. Nice. And then Graveyard. And then Professor's Research. Nice. That was sick though. Paldean Clodsire. Okay. And we're gonna open up Fusion Strike. Code. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Clawitzer, Spongy Gloves, Corvisquire, Bunnelby, Caterpie, Morpeko, Eevee, Shelder, Elysis Sparkle, and oh, Greedent V. Nice. Nice. Okay, and the last pack, 151. Let's go. Best set. Modern set. Clefairy. Machop. Porygon, Electabuzz, Golbat, Leftovers, Persian, Rapidash. Oh, nice. Gold Mew, and then Vaporeon. Nice. We got 3 hits out of 4 packs. That is perfect. See. Gold Mew EX, Greedent V, and a Paldean Clodsire. Whoo! This Mew looks really good too. Back looks good. Nice. Alright, peace. Hey.